Work planning involves both top-down and bottom-up approaches, with annual guidance from the CEO and finance. Line divisions prepare initiatives that align with strategic imperatives and justify their budget ask. Traditional work planning works in stable environments with incremental objectives over a 5-year period. Transformation efforts require new systemic structures due to merging or dissolving functional areas. Systems thinking offers a holistic approach to managing complex systems from current reality to desired outcomes. Client X used systems leadership practices to transform internally and extend these practices externally. Recasting the work plan using systems thinking tools helped Client X align initiatives and achieve objectives. Systems thinking views problems as parts of a unified whole, considering interactions within the system. Adopting systems thinking helps organizations address complex challenges, improve decision-making, and foster innovation. The work plan recasting process involves taking apart current work streams from an overall organizational perspective. Leaders trained in systems thinking tools applied these concepts to model Client X's transformation journey. The 3-day session focused on aligning systems models and frameworks to guide the recasting process. Applying systems thinking practices involves reworking work streams across nested hierarchies for each strategy. Understanding interconnectedness and causal loops helps guide the work planning process effectively. Identifying gaps and overlaps in initiatives optimizes efforts and budgetary choices. Articulating the vision and current reality helps identify key challenges and opportunities for Client X. Recasting the work plan as a nested hierarchy ensures aligned and relevant decisions at every level. Clustering use cases and prioritizing challenge statements focuses efforts on the most critical issues. Working on challenge statements with the walk-up framework tests mental models for better diagnosis. Creating a theory of success identifies key levers for achieving desired outcomes from key success factors.